If you're wondering how to manage partners across multiple channels, PartnerStack is an excellent solution, and in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to leverage it to streamline your processes. Stick around because I'll also reveal a way to use PartnerStack for free with some exclusive bonuses. So, how do you manage partners across multiple channels with PartnerStack? First, let me tell you that PartnerStack isn't just a partner management tool. It's a comprehensive platform that simplifies the partner ecosystem. Whether you're working with affiliates, resellers, or influencers, PartnerStack allows you to set up different channels all in one place and efficiently track performance across each. With PartnerStack, you can create custom partner programs for each channel, meaning you don't have to rely on a one-size-fits-all approach. You can easily customize commission structures, set milestones, and track partner performance in real time. Plus, the platform integrates seamlessly with popular CRMs, marketing tools, and e-commerce platforms, making it simple to sync data from across your entire system. The real power of PartnerStack comes from its ability to automate key tasks. You can automate onboarding for new partners, set up automated payouts, and create tailored marketing materials for different channels. This takes the manual workload off your team so you can focus on scaling and growing your partnerships. With automated tracking and reporting, you also get the data you need to make informed decisions about your partner programs without having to spend hours sifting through spreadsheets. Now, you're probably wondering, how does PartnerStack handle partners across multiple channels without causing confusion? Well, the platform's dashboard provides a bird's eye view of all your channels. You can easily track performance metrics across affiliates, resellers, and influencers, seeing what's working and where you need to improve. And since each channel is clearly separated, it's super easy to manage and analyze your campaigns. Another standout feature is the built-in training and support resources for your partners. PartnerStack offers partners a self-serve portal where they can access resources, track their earnings, and get the support they need to succeed. This helps ensure that your partners stay motivated and productive without constant oversight from your team. One of the best things about PartnerStack is that it's incredibly user-friendly. Setting up new partner channels is quick and easy, and the platform's clean interface ensures that even someone new to partner management won't feel overwhelmed. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of it. Now, if you're ready to dive into this powerful tool, I have something special for you. Through the link in the description below, you can sign up for PartnerStack and get exclusive bonuses, plus access to a free trial so you can experience all these features for yourself without any upfront cost. To wrap it up, PartnerStack is a game changer when it comes to managing partners across multiple channels. With its automation, customizability, and ease of use, you'll be able to scale your partner programs more efficiently than ever before. And remember, the free trial with exclusive bonuses won't last forever, so make sure to grab that link below and get started today.